A woman woke up to find her tongue firmly stuck to a railing. She struggled desperately, but it was no use. Just when she was at a loss, her best friend walked over. Thinking she was saved, the woman quickly called out for help. However, her friend was surprisingly delighted to see her in that state, angrily accusing her of not protecting herself while watching videos and stealing her boyfriend. After a barrage of scolding, the friend turned and left. Helpless, the woman tried once again to free herself, but her tongue remained firmly stuck. Out of the corner of her eye, she noticed someone nearby. Slowly turning her head, she was shocked to see the boyfriend she had heartlessly abandoned. She hoped he might still have some affection for her, but to her dismay, he only vented all his resentment and left with satisfaction. Despite everything, she still desperately called after him. Overwhelmed by despair, the woman began hallucinating. The echoes of past wrongdoings tormented her, and she could hear relentless voices of condemnation. Unable to bear it, she fainted. When she woke up, she realized it was nighttime. In the distance, she saw a ghostly figure. Though terrified, her will to survive drove her to call out to it. The spirit slowly approached and pulled out an enormous pair of scissors, measuring 36 meters. With a swift motion, it snipped at her tongue. Panicked, the woman quickly touched her mouth. To her relief, her tongue was still intact, but the spirit had vanished without a trace. After watching this, would you dare stick your tongue to a metal railing?